Hey, welcome back to another episode of Resurrected Motorsports. On this episode, the Gladiator gets a Rugged Ridge Arcus front bumper.
And a Smittybuilt X20 winch.
Boom! That's how you do the intro.
Professionals, as you can tell.
I've got hostages. No, I'm just joking, that's my wife. We got the Arcus bumper by Rugged Ridge and the Smittybuilt X20 winch put on the Gladiator. Running the rough country synthetic winch rope and a factor 55 Hawse Fairlead. And I don't remember the brand of these shackles, but I'll link them. I like them because they had isolators. They have rubber isolators with them too to keep them from flopping around and making a bunch of noise. All right, stay tuned. Are you already filming?
Yep.
Hello. We got the bumper for the Gladiator came in. Let's unbox this bumper and check it out. So, we looked at a bunch of bumpers and some of them are ridiculously priced, which I get it, they're good quality, handmade one at a time. We actually went with a stamped bumper on this because of the price, and I really like the way this bumper looks. And our replacement wheel from Northridge came in. So Venom Rex in Northridge, if you watched our wheel video, we had a bent wheel. They've hooked us up and got it here real quick. Uh-oh.
Oh.
We got a little bit of damage right there.
Oh.
That's on the back side of the bumper. I don't think it's gonna have any damage. I think that's the top. But there's your bumper. That's what it looks like. So normally well, not normally, a lot of bumpers, the winch sets up almost on top of them, like the winch trail will be here. So it's really tall. This one, it actually goes down in between your frame rails, so the top of your winch should sit right in here and not cause cooling issues for the bumper.
Big compliment from you, thank you. This thing's magnet, I love playing with it, and it extends and de-extends. Unextends.
One day we'll fix the bike up.
Unconstends.
Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye. Hey.
Just got back from dinner.
Yep.
Oh, and my wife would really like me to get this out of the kitchen. So let's just unbox it right here.
Whoa, the new iPad. Didn't work out, guys.
So you click that button, that light comes on, now you're in wireless mode. So this is what you get when you open the box. There was some paperwork and a battery lead on top, and then you get your control unit, your Fairlead, which is a roller Fairlead. We're not going to be using. Maybe we'll sell that to somebody. Anybody need a roller Fairlead? This is your solenoid module box that has multiple mounting locations. You can mount it on the side over here, or you can mount it right up here on top. And depending, I don't know if it fits in our bumper over here, we'll test fit it. But I'm gonna unspool this in the house. That'll be fun.
Hey viewers, let's talk for a second. What's up? How's life been going? Good? That's what I thought. Okay, so we're taking this out. That's what's happening right here. This bolt requires an Allen wrench to take off.
Hey, so what we're going to do, we're going to weigh that winch rope. We're going to weigh, well, I'm going to hold it because all I've got is bathroom scales. And we're going to weigh the other one, and we're going to see how much weight you save by going with synthetic over the steel cable. It's not a bad looking winch. I've never owned a Smittybuilt. Okay, so jack with synthetic. What's it say? 128.6. Okay, get off. 128 and 109.8. So that is 19 pounds difference. 0.4. So there's 20 pounds difference. What did we learn?
Math.
What are you doing? Warming. All right. Okay, phone went dead. GoPro's about dead. Let me show you what we're having a problem with right now. So, to get these other two bolts right here in there, you have to take this fog light bracket. This is actually the one for the other side. You have to take this fog light bracket, and it goes up against that frame rail, and it's got nuts welded to the back side of it. It's too thick. This, sorry, I'm trying to do this myself. This distance from here to the center of the bolt hole is too big, so I'm gonna have to go back and round these corners a little bit with a grinder, and then touch them up with some paint. The mounting position on the winch from the center, I don't know if you can see, but there was a little bitty ding right there by my fingernail. We moved it to over here.
What's up? We're putting the bumper on. We're like halfway through, if not 3/4. Welcome to our dynasty. Oh yeah. so sly, aren't I?
We got the X20 winch installed. We had a little problem with the wireless switch not working because the boot that was around it was keeping it from pushing in all the way, but we ripped the boot off. Trying to take it off, it actually ripped in half. But we've got an idea of what we're gonna do for this. I got a pretty slick idea. I think you guys will like it. It'll be a good mod in addition to the bumper. We're gonna wait till it's daylight so we can pull it outside, and we will finish this up by putting the synthetic rope on it. So you'll see that here in just a second, and it'll probably be tomorrow for us. Boop. Okay, what are we doing, Jack?
We are installing the winch cable.
All right, so we got some daylight. It's Friday. We have just a little bit of daylight left. And we got Jack from school. We've got to grind on the Fairlead a little bit. That's funny. Did Amazon leave something over here?
I think so.
That's funny, because that is not my front porch. All right, let's go outside.
Oh, okay. I was showing them this magnet thing.
Why do you always bend it down like that? Just the brake, don't put it in gear or anything. Tell me when you got your foot on the brake. Okay, hang on. Okay, this one that says 12.9. I want you to watch that as we're...
I'm about to hit it and see what it does myself.
I've got the wireless control. This is the winch speed on the Smittybuilt X20. Really not bad. Okay, so what did we get done today?
I found out what that button does.
Oh, you're finding out what stuff does in here? Pull the emergency brake up. There you go, pull that one. Up, tight. Okay, now you can let your foot off the brake. Autmatch 3/4 shackles. Wow, that's weird. Put this here, and then put this one in there if I can get it moved through. Those isolators are nice. We didn't used to get those. And booyah.
So do you just hook this onto it?
Yeah,
yep.
we hook this onto that. Okay, everybody. And me and Jack's just gonna run to the gas station and get a drink, maybe another coffee or something. We wanted to take an opportunity. I think it's right. We'll take this opportunity. Okay, that's what I'm gonna say. You'll have to edit this out. So we wanted to take this opportunity to thank everybody that has subscribed. We hope you all are enjoying the channel and getting some information from it. And we hope you continue to like our videos. And we hope we get a bunch of more subscribers. So thanks for watching.
And if you're not subscribed, my cousin works for the CIA, so yeah.
Why don't you?
Thank you for subscribing. We're inching closer to the 1,000 subscribers.
Inching. We are inching. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Resurrected Motorsports. On this episode, we install a Rugged Ridge Arcus bumper.
And we install the Smittybuilt X20n W.
Smitty Ridge.